Welcome to Easy Learning. Dictation starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Since the respondent has raised a preliminary objection to the maintainability of this appeal on the ground mentioned above, therefore, we would proceed to decide the maintainability of the petition. Full stop. In order to effectively comprehend the issue, it is apt at this juncture to refer to Section 47 and its legislative history. Full stop. The close perusal of the aforesaid provision of law being couched in negative language only authorized the additional collector, who was supposed to be further authorized by the collector, could file a reference under Section 47 of the Act of 1990. Full stop. Thus, the question arises as to whether the deputy collector at the relevant time could file a reference under Section 47 of the Act, against the judgment of the tribunal, and if not, what are the consequences? Relevant to the adjudication and collection of sales tax for a particular area, the Act of 1990 has classified various ranks of officials for performance of duties. Full stop. The aforesaid legislative history relating to the authority of the officer of the sales tax to file a reference and different classes of the officers of the petitioner department manifests the intention of the lawmaker regarding the rank of the officer to file a reference in terms of Section 47 of the Act. Full stop. The words occurring in Section 47 of the Act of 1990, that is, not below the rank of additional collector, being couched in the negative language, further manifests the intention of the legislature being mandatory and not mere directory. Full stop. Hence, this reference being incompetently filed is accordingly dismissed. Full stop. Copy of this judgment be sent to the learned tribunal for information. Full stop.